Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this video we'll run Alpha One Trader. It's a free binary option robot that you also can download completely for free. Just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also, make sure you check out my last video you see up there, Best Forex Robot of 2022. I have just made a Forex robot. And the first thread it done is coming a video a little later today. It's amazing. This robot works with an indicator added build account from $100 to more than 400 in matter of a couple of months. So it's a safe robot you can just turn on and forget about. This robot I will also show later how you can automate the signals that it's giving, because it's given signals to Telegram, but there are services so you can copy every single signal that come there directly to your MetaTrader. Okay, so that's something that come later. So that's about this text you see in the top there. You find a link below the video if you want these amazing signals. And like I said, I will show you later on how you can copy the signals automatically, so you can just sit and relax and make money like I do with this Forex robot. Because this don't need to think about news, you don't need to think about nothing. It's all is 100% automatically. Everything is done for you. You don't need to think. Okay, so it's amazing. But in this video is Alpha One Trader. So let's start it up and let's see how much money we make in this video. just like that. $243 in matter of minutes again. So if you want this robot, you find link below the video. So with that, have just an amazing day.